This daily sales report is the best way for any sales manager or executive to get a grips on how your sales is doing day by day. But not only day by day, you can cover it daily, weekly, and monthly in the same report. Let me show you what we got. Our main KPIs that we are focused on here are sales and quantity. Then, right next to them, you can see that we have some context to the numbers. How are we doing versus previous week? Well, 3.1k better. That's great. And here we also have a table showing us our daily sales, our weekly sales, and our monthly sales. We can see all of the data, everything here with added visualization, so we get a better understanding of how we're doing. Then, with Zebra BI charts, we're showing you our sales by sales channel. You see that you have online, partners, retail, and business to business. But what the best thing here is, they are scaled between each other, which means that online is just about 2 times as big as our partners. And we can visually see that without even checking the numbers, right? And thankfully, almost all of them are green. Something's going on with retail though. Then we have our monthly sales in Zebra BI tables by the state, right? If you're in the United States, this would be perfect for you. You have it by state, but not all states. We know that America has a lot of states and it's very hard to get all of them into a small table like this. So you as an executive or a sales manager, you have to focus on your top 5. And it's easy to do this because you have here with Zebra BI a chance to do with the top 5 analysis, right? Or the top bottom end, like you see right here, with just a simple click. And you don't have to do it with docs, no real messing around with data, just a simple built-in function of Zebra BI tables. But still keep an eye on all the others as well, right? So we're keeping 100% of the data, but we're getting 80% of your time to the most important ones, right? The same thing here with monthly returns, so we can see why the product was returned to us, what happened. Then we can go into details, have a little bit more detailed view of sales, like this, so we can see exactly what items we're selling, what audio video items, what camera photo items, right? And all of this with added interactivity from slicers and even something like this. See, different calculations. You want to see it for quantity? No problem. You want to see it for sales in euro? No problem again. Maybe you would like to see just a simple different product or different category. Maybe by state, maybe by store, or maybe by sales channel. No problem. You can do whatever you want. The interactivity at your fingertips. The same thing can happen here with returns. We have the same view here, but this now we are tracking returns. Again, in sales in euro or in quantity, depending on the look that you want. Then for sales trends. The sales trends here, again, you can see we have small multiples, so we can see for our online sales, our partners, our retail, and our B2B, exactly how they stack up between each other and which ones are doing better or worse, so we can get a trend line view of exactly what's going on with our sales channel. And that's it. If you guys liked what you see here, go down into the description below and download this PBIX example to be inspired the next time that you're going to be creating your own sales daily report.